Hi students. So we are in the unit 4 digital and green marketing and today session 44 and today's topic that we are going to discuss or talk about is green marketing. If you remember the last few sessions we spoke everything about digital marketing, the strategies, the advantages, disadvantages, what are the various digital marketing channels and all that. So today we are going to start with the concept of green marketing. So green marketing and look at the images just before you. The environmental crisis has posed one of the biggest threat to the mankind. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಅನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್. So keeping this in mind, we have the concept of marketing, keeping the green marketing into account. So, marketing is a part of the problem and marketing is also the part of a solution. So, marketing impact on the environment nodadadre, marketing actually has created some problems like it has stimulated overconsumption, contributing to environmental degradation. ನಾವು ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ವಸ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ವಸ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಓವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. And that has resulted in environmental degradation or environmental problems. Marketing replaces more environmental goods to increase profit margin. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು just an example, how we have converted the water. Plain environmentally ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Just because the companies had a little bit of profit margin ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು they have done it. Unnecessary packaging. This has resulted in environmental degradation. You take any product for that matter. Like igondu tarakari or you buying some fruits, everything is packed in plastics. So unnecessary packaging, too much of packaging I would say has contributed to environmental degradation. And the last one is the long supply chains and the distribution, long distribution channels galinda enayitu anta helidre it has increased the transportation cost, which in turn has resulted in higher carbon dioxide footprint of the products. So these are some of the issues that is environmentally not good and marketers have created this problem. So as a solution there is a concept called as green marketing. Green or environmental marketing consists of all activities designed to generate and facilitate any exchanges intended to satisfy the human needs or wants such that the satisfaction of these needs and wants occur with minimal detrimental impact on the natural environment. So we all know other parts of the definition. The most important element of this definition is the minimum detrimental impact on the natural environment. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೆಯುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to do it because consumer human needs or wants have to be satisfied. But ನೀವು satisfy ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ try to see that your environment is not harmed in the bargain. So ಅದನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು green or environmental marketing has come into place. What are the examples of green claims? Biodegradable products ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಝೋನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ examples that most of the brands say that num product use madidre this is highly recyclable, biodegradable, environmentally safe product anta hakobodu. So what is the definition? Marketing of products or services based on their environmental benefits. Look at here students, the word environmental benefits is important. So to get the environmental benefit you have to change. What we need to change? You have to change a broad range of activities. You have to modify your product. In fact, if you change the production process that it does not harm the environment. Now production process notkolli, you are harming the soil, water, your what do you say, sound pollution agbodu. So all those kind of pollution you can avoid if you change the production process. The packaging changes is one more thing that can be modified. And advertising which does not lead to unnecessarily overconsumption, adan kuda madkondo you can actually reduce the environmental impact, that is negative environmental impact. In simple terms, it refers to the process of selling products or services based on their environmental benefits. Now, what is green marketing? In little more we have to understand about it. It is using claim about a product's environmental friendliness in order to promote the product. So if you are selling a product, you should make sure that your product is environmental friendly. ಅದನ್ನು ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you have to give a proper proof to the consumers that your product is environmental friendly. So green marketing is a marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Such a product may be environmentally friendly in itself or produced and packaged in that manner. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೂ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಸೇಫ್. Let's see the definition part. There are three ways to define the green marketing. So the retailing definition says that the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Social marketing ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ green marketing is development and marketing of products designed to minimize the negative effect on the physical environment or to improve its quality. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಲ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ any negative impact on the physical environment has to be reduced. ನಾವು environmental ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ any effort by the organization to produce, promote, package and reclaim products in a manner that is sensitive or responsive to ecological concerns. So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ one part that is clear about green marketing is that it has to be environmentally safe, ecologically beneficial and it should not harm our physical environment. So why green marketing? Yake suddenly green marketing became important was because research shows that consumers prefer it and the consumers are willing to spend extra money on the products that they perceive as environmentally safe, because now we cannot take environment for granted. ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು. Now there is a sudden group of consumers who have understood this and they want the products that are environmentally safe. More than half of consumers have purchased a product because of the label that it is environmental safe or biodegradable. ಖಾಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, they have actually done it. Not that they are just willing to spend the money, but they've also gone and purchased a product because it is environmentally safe. The other advantages or why the reasons for green marketing is it is an opportunity for the company to showcase their green challenges. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು that they have used this as an opportunity in the right manner and it can stand out as their competitive advantage. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾರ್ಗೇನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. Next one, it is a big corporate social responsibility. All companies have to be socially responsible. So if your products also are very green and don't harm the environment, that in turn becomes one of your CSR activity. The next one is the government is also putting a pressure. Government kuda sakashtu laws tarta untu, regulations tarta idare that you should not use this kind of materials or you should not have this kind of packaging. So when the government is becoming more and more conscious and they are giving stricter guidelines, ಆವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಕೂಡ they have to listen to the government and change their marketing strategies. And then the competitive pressure. So competitors are doing a lot of green. So ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So the competition has also been one of the factor that has led to a rising concern about green marketing. So the competitors also are doing a lot of green initiatives. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will be out of the race. So for that reason also green marketing is adopted by most of the companies. Then there's other element and the most important element for businesses. If you do right green marketing, it's definitely going to save your cost and make you more profitable. So hagagi every company wants profit and they want at a less cost. So if you do the right way and don't harm the environment, you're going to achieve both these benefits. So students, in today's session, we try to understand the meaning of green marketing and why companies are shifting towards it. So in the further sessions, we will understand in still detailed about green marketing. Thank you to all the students. Thank you.